Scale of 0 to 10. Boy, let me start out with saying we might have a little bit of background noise. Got the fan going. It's about 105 degrees here in Texas, so bear with me. Hey, today's topic is going to be these Bocomal welding gloves. Now, Bocomal's got some really cool stuff out there right now. They got work t-shirts, they got t-shirts, they got hoodies, work shirts, high visibility clothing, pants and jeans, jackets and vests, accessories and coveralls. Now, again, today we're going to be going over these Bocomal gloves, and we're going to compare these to another brand of glove, which is a Tillman 850 XL. What I do like about them is these are actually called classic welding gloves, where they're grain and leather, multitask, 14-inch lined leather, MIG or stick gloves, Kevlar stitching, and they're different colors. There's a white and a black, I believe, and there's also the color you see here, tan and the white. It may be different on their website, which is BocomalFr.com, if you're interested in purchasing some of these. And I'll put some links down in the bottom of the description where you can get to them a little bit quicker. Some of the highlights I do like about them are what you see here. Now, I really like the soft leather. The fit is really something else that I pay a close attention to. Now, I don't weld every day, but I weld quite frequently. And I want a glove that's got a real soft leather to it, just like you see here, where I'm able to bend my fingers. If you got arthritis or anything like that, this will make it easier for you to control your stick or your MIG machine. It's got the protection right here. It's got the double stitching. It's a really soft leather. Now, this might be an issue to some extent, but all gloves are going to be probably about the same. Either way you look at it, these will catch a few sparks and they might start to unravel in that area, but very unlikely. The use of these things should be quite some time before they burn up. Let me go over a couple of other things. The fingers, the way your fingers fit in them. Now, everybody's got different length fingers, I'm sure, of course, but me, I want my fingers to extend almost all the way to the very tip. And in these gloves, they do. Right, there's my finger, there, and there, and there. So I'm able to feel and sense things a lot better than some of these other gloves that I've used in the past, and I'll show you one of them. This one is a no-name brand, and the leather gets really super hard, and their fingers don't fit all the way quite in them. So, like here, I'll pull it up some more. You can't feel your fingers. So Bocomal did take the extra time to actually fit, especially my hand, maybe not yours, but possibly. We all have kind of standard fingers. I do like the lining on the inside. Warning, not flame proof or flame fire retardant, so you must read that. The lining is very soft in them, and I do like that a lot. Let's read what's on the tag here. Bocomal, where safety meets style. Color block, straight cuff, premium welding gloves, full grain leather for durable fit. Thermal lining protects against sparks and flame. Reinforced palms and fingers. Ergonomic fit for comfort and style. Long cuff for extended. I can't read that actually. Ideal for welding and fabrication. Now I want to compare these to a Tillman. Tillman's about the same, but I'm not able to get my fingers. This finger here goes all the way in. This one's short. That one's a little long. You can tell by looking at the glove. And my pinky's short. And my thumb is right on the money. I'm not knocking Tillman, but I'm comparing them to the Bocomal. The cuffs themselves, or the back of it, is a little bit longer. Your reinforcement right here is a little deeper. This one is sewn in, and this one is sewn and flips over. You can tell the difference when you line these up here to here. How they have this sewn across here a little bit higher into the fingers. Tillman's a little bit lower, but the design here is pretty much the same. Now, I'm going to do another review on these after I've worn them for about 3 months, because I really do like these gloves. There's a number of things that I think are really positive over the Tillmans or the Hobarts or any other glove. First off is the leather is just super soft, like I said earlier. And combine this with one of the BocomalFr shirts, I think you've got a really good combination, especially when it's protecting you way up here. Well guys, I hope I shared some information that's valuable to you in this video. And if so, we ask that you hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We'll also, like I said, post a link down in the description below. BocomalFr.com website, and the link to where you can buy these from. They're not as expensive as a lot of other gloves. On a scale of 0 to a little sugar ant. Scale of 0 to 10, I'd have to give them about a 7.5, maybe an 8, until we actually run them, burn some rods, put some wire through the wire spool, and see how they take the heat. Again, thumbs up, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.